everyone, welcome back and welcome to day number 7 of the Ramadan daily. Is it 7 or 6 or 8? Today I'm actually just getting ready to film a video, hence why I have press-on nails, because y'all know the struggle with my crusty nails. I love these press-ons. These are such a cool style too. But anyways, that's a weird way to intro to this video. But I wanted to show you guys a little before because I have been loving my skin lately. I haven't really changed much other than I've incorporated a lot of new Drunk Elephant products, Drunk Elephant skincare, and I was kind of thinking, since I have a lot of Drunk Elephant products, I kind of want to do like the best and worst products from Drunk Elephant and just kind of share my results with them, what has worked the best and what has been giving me this glow lately. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in a video like that, because I know Drunk Elephant is super expensive, not everyone can afford it, but I feel like if someone can afford like 1 or 2 products from the line, even just 1 honestly, and like hearing what is like the ultimate best that you should invest your money in, I feel like that could help someone. So I'm all done filming. This is what the makeup look turned out looking like. I'm wearing my little undercap that I normally wear to go work out because I just filmed, like after I filmed my makeup, I filmed a hijab styles video, so I just had this underneath so that I could quickly show you guys hijab styles without, you know, make myself all bare and stuff. So right now it's actually pretty late in the evening. I think it's about 6 p.m. Oh, let me turn off my camera. Yeah, it's like 6:20, so I think I'm gonna get started on dinner. My brother, I think, is actually, let's go check on him. I think he's setting up the grill right now. Oh yeah, he is. How's it going? Oh wow, it's much bigger than I thought. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It goes up to 650 or 300 degrees Celsius, which is pretty good. Okay guys, so my mom is cutting up some cilantro right now, but we're actually gonna show you guys the recipe for the soup because literally you guys are still leaving a bunch of comments. So I'll show you what my mom prepared so far. She kind of like did a little mise en place, which is like preparation. Okay, so my mom is saying we need to heat up some water first, so she's just putting it in a kettle, and then I'll let you guys know exactly how much water we use. But it really just depends on like how much soup you want. So you can just put as much water as you want. So these are the veggies that we're using. I just kind of turned on the light so you could see it better. So we have zucchini, we have green onion, celery. I think this is some type of root that my mom uses in replacement of potato, but she does put 1 small potato, just so there's not as much like, I don't know, starch or whatever is bad in potatoes, I don't know. And then some red onions, a bunch of tomato, carrots, this is squash, and then some cilantro. So a lot of veggies, and then there's also some chicken. So this is very, very healthy and very tasty. And then I'll also share the spices that we use in this because that also makes it taste good. Ooh, and I forgot, we also put some red lentils in here to just kind of give more protein. So the first thing is you put in the chicken. Don't worry mama, your hand's not in it. So I'd say that's probably about like 2 cups of chicken breast. And then you put in all of the vegetables. So everything all at once, right? Okay. So it doesn't really matter what order, just literally throw it all in the pan. The tomatoes? Yeah. Okay, put the tomatoes in. Carrots. Put the carrots in. This kitchen in our basement is a little smaller than the one upstairs. And then she's putting a little bit of olive oil in it, just to kind of, I don't know, get everything going. Season it a little as well. That was a lot of oil. Yeah, that was a lot. And then, oh, and then also the, what's this called again? Squash? It's frozen, but it doesn't really matter. Uh-oh. My mom forgot the garlic. You can't forget the garlic. Yeah, my mom puts frozen garlic in, so there's like a lot. That's probably about like, I'd say about like 6 cloves of garlic, right? 7? A lot of garlic, as much as you want. Yeah, we love our garlic. She's saying you can put fresh or frozen garlic, it doesn't really matter. But definitely not powdered. You need to use the actual clove. So she's putting a tablespoon of oregano, a little bit of some paprika as well, some black pepper. All of our seasonings are in random containers, so don't mind that. Basically like a tablespoon for each seasoning. Yeah, no, obviously, yeah. She just says for taste. Obviously, you don't put a tablespoon if you're only making a cup of soup, but like for this much, like, do you guys see how big this is? It's huge, so we're using a tablespoon for each. And then she puts in a vegetable bouillon cube as well. Coriander? Okay. Coriander. Dried coriander. That's the cumin. So put whatever spices you want, basically. Yeah, whatever you guys have. So once it's all mixed up, all you do is just put water in it. My mom's gonna do the honors. You just put it till it reaches the top. So you just completely cover all the vegetables. Just put in the cilantro now. Likes it when she washes it more, so we added in the lentils, and then you just mix it in and let that all cook. She said it doesn't really matter what time you add everything because it's all gonna be blended up anyway, so just kind of like add it all in there. She's adding in some turmeric right now just to add some nice color. And turmeric's really good for the health as well. Just cover that up, and then do you keep it on high?
High, baby?
Yeah. Just keep it on high until it gets... Okay, so she says until it boils, you keep it on high, and once it boils, you turn it down to low, or like medium low. So I didn't have enough time to marinate chicken on my own because I probably should have done it earlier on in the day. So my brother actually just went to the grocery store, like a halal grocery store, just to get some already marinated chicken, and he's just gonna cube that up, and then we're gonna make shish kebabs. But what I am gonna do is get some grilled veggies going. So I just have some zucchini in here. I just kind of like sliced it in half and then sliced each half into 3s or 2s. So they're kind of little steaks, and I'm just gonna be grilling these, but I'm gonna marinate them a little. I'm also gonna add some onions. And then my brother is getting some red peppers so that we can grill those as well. I'm contemplating whether I want to put mushroom, but my mom is very allergic to mushrooms. So if I do these, it's just going to go on at the very end. But we'll see if I have time for that. So I'm just going to finish up slicing these, and then I'm going to marinate these with something. It doesn't really need to be marinated too long, obviously, because it's just veggies and they taste good grilled even just without any marinade, but I'll figure something out. Okay, so I'm taking a little break from the veggies upstairs, and my mom says this is kind of just going real nice. It's boiling away. So are you gonna do it now, or are you gonna still let it wait? Okay, so she said it still has got to, it still has some time to cook, but when it gets to this point, that means you can turn down the heat slightly, right? You just turn down the heat to like about half, and then just kind of let that simmer on a medium low so that it cooks really nicely. So for the grilled veggies, I'm gonna put a little bit of some avocado oil, just a touch, just to kind of give it something so that it doesn't stick. I'm gonna put some sea salt, a little oregano. I'm also gonna put some lemon pepper in there. Sorry that my phone is ringing. So Amir ended up coming, and I put the peppers in there, the yellow and red bell peppers. So it's nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the veggies. Let's check up on Amir. So Amir is plating up the or just getting the chicken skewers ready. So it's making quite a lot. I think we got a good amount. What do you think?
Maybe one meal.
One meal? This is huge. Plus all the veggies, and then we have soup and everything. There's gonna be a lot of food. Oh my god, we really need to clean this tabletop. Well, it smells really good though. I wonder what spices they used. Oh, this is a shish tawuk one. Hopefully it tastes good. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to cook. I'm hoping that the veggies could be done by 8, and then we'll have exactly like 40 minutes to cook everything. Oh yeah, that should be more than enough time. And I think I'll have enough time to put the portobello mushrooms on there as well. I'm so excited for these. The only thing that sucks about this grill is that it doesn't have any like flip out sides, so we're probably gonna have to get some sort of like little side table or something to pull out and put there, because otherwise I'm just using the floor, so it's a little inconvenient. Ooh, these look so good. How good does this look right now? Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm so excited to eat. Veggies never looked so good. So I'm just gonna keep everything in here and put it in the warm oven. And wait, I want to show them first.
Okay.
This is the Nando's peri peri sauce, the lemon and herb one. So we're gonna just put this. Do you want to put it on, or?
You put it on.
So just gonna drizzle a little bit of this just on top.
There's a lot, a little bit.
No, there's a lot of veggies in there. Those look so good. They smell good. Or actually, just put it in the oven like this. It should be okay. Yeah. Keep that warm. Yeah. Now for the chicken. Chicken time. Or actually, I should probably oil the thing first. So for the oil, you got to do this really quick, but you just put some oil on here and then put the chicken on. I'm gonna leave this on about medium high, like in between 3 and 4, and just let that grill. So I'm actually gonna baste the chicken in a little bit of the other Nando's peri peri seasoning that we have. This is the medium version.
I definitely didn't sneeze on the food.
Ew!
I'm messing. I didn't.
Did you actually?
No, I didn't.
So lucky.
But, yeah, I didn't. I sneezed like this.
So the soup is all done. This is what it looks like. So you can have it like this if you want, but we prefer to have it just like more thin. And my brother won't eat it like this otherwise. It's the KitchenAid, like the stand mixer, so it just looks like this. Here. My mom's just gonna whip it up. And that's what it looks like. All done. That's how you guys make the soup. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You welcome.
Ooh, one tip though with the soup, always serve it with lemon juice. It tastes so good if you just like squeeze a little bit of lemon inside. It just like brightens up all the flavors. It's so good. These mushrooms look so good. It's a shame my mom is allergic. Okay. Do you guys wash your dates? Let me know. Because apparently they come dirty, right? I'm supposed to wash them. My mom soaks them in water. But I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna serve up myself some soup.
The one we did it in the subway.
The one we just made.
If Gambino Senior wins, you better take the other black girl with him.
This is what it looks like.
How it come back?
Gotta put
I thought they had all vegetarian mix and do it. That's
lemon. Yeah. The busy ish but except sugar, you don't need salt.
They wanted to take out that black guy. I hope he's gonna stay.
That's really good. You guys need to try the soup. We're watching Survivor. Mama, how many years have you been watching Survivor? Whenever Survivor started, she's been watching it ever since. She's not missed a season. Ever.
I'm Survivor.
Give me one orange, Jimmy.
You are a Survivor too?
Huh?
She says
Orange.
she's a Survivor too.
I thought you ate fruit after.
11 days.
You missed the reaction.
The show's getting really intense.
Oh! No.
She's stressing herself out over this damn show.
This much, almost finished.
I know.
This is very bad. Ako lang
Yummy.
That counts.
And there is the final meal. Oh my god, that looks so good on camera.
Spices in my throat.
So good. Is it good? Bono!
Yummy!
Ooh, okay. I'm gonna eat now. Goodbye, y'all. So it's super late. It's like almost 3 a.m. It's 2:55. I have been working all night after IFTAR. I'm gonna be out at an event all day tomorrow, so I just need to get a lot of my deadlines in tonight so that I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. But that dish that I made like was so good. I need to recreate that shish kebab recipe, but with like my own seasonings for the, or like marinade for the chicken, and then I will give you guys a better recipe. But if you can even just get marinated chicken from the grocery store like I did, like I would highly recommend it. And get that Nando's sauce from Walmart. It is perfection, or you can just buy it at Nando's. But anyways, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the, what is this? The 2 recipes that I showed you. This is kind of like a recipe vlog essentially. But if you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see more recipes, also give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below. Let me know if you're going to be recreating any of these recipes. And of course, as always, please tag me on social media if you do end up making any of these, or just send me the photos. But I need to insert this clip into this video, end it off, and go to bed. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye! Mwah.